Welcome back to Kaluuya Design's Cricut 101. How do I add or edit my own circular monogram? We're getting many questions like this lately, so we wanted to share the solution with you. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit monogram with Cricut. If you want to learn how to master this technique, keep on watching. So when you purchase or download monogram from the internet, sometimes you'd have to add or edit to customize. Here's how. Some designs are blank to begin with, and some have preview monogram added to the design like this one. Step 1. Ungroup. Here, I have uploaded this monogram design. If your SVG design have preview monogram attached, all you have to do is to select the design, right-click, then Ungroup. Ungroup command allows you to move and resize each layer of design independently. Now you can click and delete this unwanted part of the design. Step 2. Use Text tool. Once you remove the circular monogram that you didn't need, use a text tool to add your own. On the left toolbar, click Text and type out your first initial. Then, click the left middle corner where it says Font. By using search bar, locate Left Circle Monogram Font. Next, type out your middle initial, then follow the same steps to change it to Center Circular Monogram. Then, type out your last initial, then change it to Right Circle Monogram. Now you have your initials ready to be edited. In this tutorial, I am using our own circular monogram, which you can find from our Etsy store. I have added the link to the exact monogram down below. However, you can always use other monogram fonts you own. The process will be the same. Step 3. Align tool. Now that you have your initials ready, let's align them nicely. First, bring right and left initials as close as you want to the center monogram. Then, while selecting all of the 3 letters, go top middle of the toolbar and click Align drop-down menu. Find and click Center vertically to tweak the alignment, and also find and click Distribute horizontally to have them even space between letters. This looks good to me, so now I select the monogram, right-click, and group them together. Step 4. Always attach before you cut. After bringing your own initial in the center of the monogram frame, there is one thing you need to do. Attach the whole design, including the frame, so you won't make a mess. If you proceed to click Make It button without attaching the elements, this happens. By default, Cricut Design Space will distribute the elements efficiently to save materials you are cutting. In order to avoid a mess, select all of the design you wish to cut, then click Attach. Now the design shows as you want it to be. Editing with Cricut can be intimidating and confusing sometimes, but if you can master Text tool and how to edit it, you will have more freedom on what you can do with this software. On Kaluuya Design's official website, you can download tons of monogram SVG designs for free. Link can be found on the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.